Hi kids, today's topic is phonic focus. We're going to practice the letter sound O.
Student's Book, page 51, 4. Listen and say.
This is letter O.
O,
O.
O,
O.
O.
Listen carefully.
Polly stops at the shop for a hot dog. Polly stops at the shop for a hot dog.
Let's read this together.
Polly stops at the shop for a hot dog. Polly stops at the shop for a hot dog.
Repeat.
Polly stops at the shop for a hot dog.
Now, it's your turn to read. Excellent! Keep practicing this, okay? Next, can you spot any words with letter sound O?
Yes, I can. Polly stops shop for hot dog.
Excellent! This is letter O.
O,
Let's see more examples.
O,
Polly,
O,
stop,
O,
shop,
O,
hot dog,
O,
job,
O,
hop,
O,
pot,
O,
dog,
O,
rob,
O.
hot. These are some examples of O sound that we have learned for today. Until we meet again, see you!